Youths have taken classes in ICT and IC3 here at the center, together with other training exposures in entrepreneurship and financial management. Our music recording studio, which is down here at Ajira Center, is also helping develop talent among the youths. And in this regard, we beseech our partners from Kisii, Shafco, ile ngine nimeona inaitwa Mogo. Mzee wao umeongea hapa watoto wakapiga makofi. Najua ile accent ya Kisii ilikuwa nzuri mpaka kila mtu anaipenda. Ama vipi? Yeah. To help nurture these young talents by promoting songs produced at the studio. Equally, through MasterCard, Shafco organization has also come in to help us in sponsoring our youths to pursue technical courses in various technical colleges. Over 300 trainees from the Ajira Center are benefiting from the sponsorship program from Shafco this year, and 400 more students have been earmarked for the next year.